Hello, my name's Wendy from Wenway Creations. I'm going to come today and I'm going to do some decoupage on these cards. Now, I got this idea from Julie from Camellia Craft Designs. I've got a few here that I've done already. So I've just gessoed them. I used just some gesso primer, any kind. Let them dry. Put it front and back. And then I've decoupaged butterflies, some roses. So this was rice paper, and the butterflies was from serviettes. So that's the prototypes. I'll run out of the roses, so I'll just do a couple with some stuff I've got here. Okay, what I'm going to use is some rice paper glue. If I can get it open. Just got a nice soft brush. Julie's were really pretty when she did hers. I was really quite impressed. So I thought I'd do it and have a go and see if I could do it. So, yep, here I am doing it. Really good for going in your journal, junk journals. Another idea you can do is cut one of these big ones in half and make a pocket. Put a pocket on it so you can put things in the pocket. Some paper for writing on. And because you've decoupaged the back, oh, I haven't done these ones, but you can write on the back, because when you get them, they're very smooth, and so putting the gesso on takes that shininess away, and you're able to write. Julia, she did back hers with craft sticky paper. I have got the rice paper here. Found this on the floor. Must have dropped it. And when that dries, you'll see through the back of the card. You won't with those because they're paper. Just print it up on normal copy paper. So you won't see the back of the cards with those. Do one more. Here we go. Okay, just a very short video today, my first video. So I hope you like it. If you do, press like, comment and subscribe. I'm hoping to put 2 videos out a week. I also have a website, www.wenwaycreations.com.au. I'm also on Facebook and YouTube. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.